Hello everybody, in today's video I'll show you how to contact a FlexJob customer support step by step. FlexJob is a trusted job platform that focuses on remote work from home, freelance and flexible jobs, and all job listings are hand-screened to help users avoid scams. And if you're facing issue with your account, billing, login or job access, FlexJob customer support can help. And first you need to open to your browser and go to the official FlexJob website and type down flexjob.com. And after that, when you get into this interface, you need to select in the top right corner of your profile icon right over here. And over here you can find this option for the customer support. And here you'll find all answer to common questions about account subscriptions and job searching. You can use the search bar to quickly find the solutions as well here. You can have a live chat, your phone number, or you can call them or the email as well. And if you need any help right now, you can select chat on this bottom of this flex job. Here you are required to type down your first name, your last name, your required email for the flex job, and your subject. And also if you want any reason for contact all, you can ask this general questions over here and you can start chatting on the bottom. And FlexJob also allows you to contact support by email. You can send message directly through the contact from the official support email listed on their website. Support usually responds within a short time, and always contact support only through the official FlexJob website. Avoid fake emails or messages claiming to be FlexJob support. And that's it. That's how you can reach out to FlexJob's customer support easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusions or trouble, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.